With increasing fuel costs and ecological concerns, the demand for lightweight transportation is on a rise. Airplanes and cars that are more fuel efficient require materials that are lightweight yet strong enough to be safe. This is what the industry is looking for. Both France and the Netherlands have innovative industries that develop, produce and apply lightweight materials. To exchange experiences and to create partnerships, the Embassy of the Netherlands in Paris organized a seminar dedicated to lightweight materials for the automotive and aeronautical industry.
The Embassy is organizing this seminar because this is in fact our core business, bringing together Dutch and French businesses and research institutes, as well as decision makers. By bringing them together, have them learn from each other, from the production processes, from the research work that's going on. And I think they can be mutually reinforcing on this important topic.
The aeronautical industry has always been focused on the use of lightweight materials. For the automotive industry, the topic is becoming more and more important.
Current trend in lightweight materials in the aeronautic industry is to go for composites, that's for sure. We see it in the 787 and the Airbus A350.
But are these materials strong enough?
Yes, that's of course what we need to do. They need to be strong enough, they need to be resistant to the environment of aircraft. It's so cold and hot and moist, and they have to be of high property quality.
And are these materials available right now?
Not all the materials are available, and when they are available, they are still very expensive. We need volume in the materials in order to get the price down.
The cost issue is of course very, very important. However, first of all, we have to make sure that we are able to produce one car with a composite material. And by one car, I mean that we must be able to prove that we can produce this car more than 4,000 times per day. So technically speaking, we have also and already lots of different issues to solve, and after we'll see the cost. But first of all, make sure that technically speaking, we are able to make this miracle 5,000 times per day.
Light, strong, cost-effective and durable are keywords when it comes to lightweight materials. Both the Netherlands and France have innovative industries that develop and produce these products.
This is one of the key sectors for the Dutch government. It's one of the 9 top sectors that we have indicated. High-tech systems and materials, and cooperation between Netherlands and France is one of their priority areas.
I think that one of the major interest between this relation between the Netherlands and France is that there is a very large chemistry industry in the Netherlands. There are some good companies on the field of transformation of composite parts, and in France you have some very large company using this technology and using those products, and then companies that process them.
During the seminar, producers, scientists and policymakers shared innovations and best practices.
I think a lot of the effort at the moment is towards composite materials, increasingly thin and strong materials. That also holds for the development in lightweight metals. The aim is to push for stronger materials so the metals can be produced and used on a thinner structure.
As lightweight materials are different substrates than we are traditionally working for, we need different coatings as well. If you talk about metals which are traditionally used, we look at giving protection for corrosion. If you look at composites, on the other hand, they don't corrode, but you want to give protection against environmental stresses, UV light, things like that. So you need different technologies to optimally protect the substrate.
Well, the trend will be quite simple. It has to be more lightweight, so less mass, but of equal importance, or perhaps even more important, it has to be cheap, more cheap. And that's the big trend, and the big innovations are necessary to make it more lightweight and to produce it for less money. That's the name of the game.